Hi, it's Jeff Greenberg, and I wanted to give you a quick little tip on customizing your menus. One of the things I deal with all the time is just the keys don't seem to fit where I'd like my fingers to be, and I want to address one that Apple made a change of with numbers. So let's go ahead here and fire up numbers. And I'm just going to say, just a blank template here. Apple, when they're updating numbers, removed one of my favorite keyboard commands. The keyboard command was add a column after or add a column before and add a row before and after. These were on command left, right, up, down arrows. We're going to do this by opening up our system preferences and looking at the keyboard and looking here at shortcuts. Basically, we inside of shortcuts can add any key we want and just as equally remove any key we want from the keyboard. I'm going to go here to App Shortcuts, and I'm going to add an app. And the app I'm going to add, and it's running, it's Numbers. And then we got to get the menu title exactly right. So I'll just move this over. I'll click in the Numbers for a moment. And under Table, add row above and add row below. Add row above. Keyboard command is Command up arrow. We're going to do a couple more here real quick. And then I'm going to do numbers. And you can see those have already shown up as add row above and below. Add column before and after. Now we'll take a look here in numbers and we can see under table they all exist, and I'm going to try them out where I'm here and I just say, hey, I want a new column or a new row above and below. This is a really fast way to work. The whole key thing that I always stress about keyboard commands is they got to make sense to you. Now there's one more thing I want to talk about. I want to talk about the idea that you want to remove a key, because if I'm doing a lot of work inside of numbers, I don't want Command Q to quit numbers. So I'm going to put that in as well. I'm going to make the keyboard shortcut something really strange. I'm going to mash down all those keys with the Q and say add. Now that I've done this, I can't quickly Command Q quit numbers. It's going to sit back and block that. It now gives me the quit and keep numbers. And if I think I mash them all down, I'm mashing them all down on my keyboard, you can see quit numbers becomes available. So again, I'm Jeff Greenberg. This was customizing menus. And if you want a key, you can set or block any key in any application. Hope you found this useful.